Hey guys, I'm going to show you the right way to promote your affiliate offers. So today we're talking about affiliate marketing for beginners. And if you stay until the end, I'm going to give you free traffic sources that you can use to use this strategy that I'm going to give you today. So welcome to ProfitCopilot.com. My name is Mick Meaney, and I'm here to help you to get more traffic so you can profit from your passion. So today we're going to talk about the right way to do affiliate marketing and the wrong way to do affiliate marketing, because most people are doing it the wrong way. And this is, of course, causing them to fail. So if we can just be real for a few minutes, and I'm going to give you some God's to honest truth about affiliate marketing, and it might be difficult to hear, so you might not like what I tell you, but it is the truth. It can be a bitter pill to swallow, but I'm not asking for your money. I'm not trying to sell you anything. And it's going to be quite different to what those guru people try to sell you. So we're going to forget about all that nonsense and we're just going to get real. Okay, does that sound all right? Okay, so what's causing you to fail when it comes to affiliate marketing? Well, chances are you are either promoting an affiliate link. So you've gone to somewhere like ClickBank, you found an offer, and you're now promoting that link, that hop link, on random websites, on communities, forums, Facebook groups, and you're not getting results. Alternatively, you've done the right thing and set up a squeeze page first, so you're capturing visitors as leads and converting them into subscribers, and then promoting on the back end. That's the right way to do it, but chances are, even if you've gone through that and made the squeeze page, chances are you are still now promoting that squeeze page link and trying to send traffic to that. And if you're doing that, I'm going to guess that you're not getting the results that you expected, or that, that Guru X training course promised you. And that's because neither of these strategies work properly. To make the squeeze page strategy work, and it does work if you do it properly, to make that work, if you want to send traffic directly to a squeeze page first, if that's their first encounter with you, then it's going to have to be paid traffic. And I know that lots of people don't want to spend money on advertising, but if you want to generate leads fast and get your business rolling quickly, then you have to advertise. But for long-term results, and I'm all about long-term results on Profit Copilot, what I like to teach you how to do is to last for as long as you want, really. So even if you stop advertising, leads are still going to come into your business. You're still going to generate passive income, and you're going to last a long time. So for that, we need content marketing. And I know that a lot of affiliate marketers are drawn to affiliate marketing because they're promised that all they have to do is promote someone else's product in order to make money. And that is true, but if you don't want to invest in advertising, you're going to have to do some level of content marketing, which I'm going to walk you through now. So this really is affiliate marketing for beginners. So we're going to forget about everything else that you've been told previously. So, okay. If you are promoting links to a squeeze page or directly to an affiliate offer on communities, forums, Facebook groups, you're going to get banned. Okay, I'll give you lots of traffic sources in my my YouTube videos and on the blog, on the podcast. Loads of free traffic sources that you can use, but these are all designed for content marketing. So if you're promoting affiliate links and squeeze page offers on these websites, you're going to build a bad reputation for yourself. Let's face it. Don't do it. Okay, it's technically spam. It's content that no one wants to see, unless you're dealing with a very specific group of people who are absolutely interested in what you have to offer via your squeeze page. Then you can get some good results. But let's face it, the chances of finding that niche group of people somewhere is kind of kind of unlikely. So what we need to do is take things back a step. So what we do is we create, it's called top of funnel content. So this has a slightly wider appeal than that really niche specific offer. It's still related to it, but if you imagine a funnel, it's like that shape, right? So at the top we have lots of people, and then the more people that come into the funnel, the further down they go, the more people drop off. And that group gets smaller and smaller and smaller until we get down to the people who are absolutely desperate to buy your product. But we have to find those people, right? Chances are that we're just going to hit on the right forum or hit on the right Facebook group or traffic source that I give you in the videos. It's unlikely, okay? So we have to step back and we have to look at the larger group, the larger niche or marketplace, and then promote content that is relevant to those people. Find the people who have the exact problem that we can solve. So the way that we do that is we create content. This is the right way to do it. So we create something called core content. This helps people to maybe come to terms with the problem. Maybe it helps them realize that they have a problem that needs to be solved. And then once they realize, once they realize that they actually have a problem, then you offer your lead magnet, your squeeze page, to help them take at least a step towards solving that problem. So we bring it right back. So we step back. If you imagine a line, so this is the product, the problem solution framework. You might have heard me mention it before. So what you have to do is you think about the problem that your prospect has and the solution that they need. So you think about all the steps involved that they have to take, all the things they have to do in order to arrive at this solution. So what you need to do is think about where the people who are just realizing that they have this problem, where are they hanging out? Okay, so they're not ready to buy yet. They're not over here at this side, but they are beginning to realize that there might be a problem they have. So you put your content there. You put your core content in front of these people. That's the strategy. Okay, so you don't pitch anything. You're not trying to sell anything. You're certainly not asking them to take any kind of action. That comes later. So you put your core content here, help them out, help them realize that there's something wrong that they need to fix, and then you can run them through their options. And then you ask them to take action to opt into your squeeze page, opt into your email list, and get that freebie, that lead magnet. And then when they've done that, then you run them through the email sequence. So it can be a 5-day campaign, it can be a 30-day campaign, whatever you like. But back here at the problem awareness stage of the funnel, that's where you put your core content. It has to be useful. But we can step back even further if you want to. So what we can do is we can take your core content and we can break it up into smaller pieces. This is called micro content. Sometimes it's called satellite content. So we take your core content. We might take an image or a quote or something from it that in itself is a piece of content that creates awareness for your content, for your core content. So we take that micro content and we publish that on social media. And this creates awareness of your brand. So they see the meme or the image or the quote, something can be a little video clip, a little 30-second clip. It doesn't really matter as long as it grabs their attention. Oh, this is interesting. And then it leads back to your core content. Right, just so you can visualize this, let me map it out with a funnel mapper. So we're using marketplan.io for this. So our starting point is going to be social media. So we're going to use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, and any others that you like. So what we're going to do is create micro content, break up that core content into small chunks and post relevant pieces on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all the big social media networks. And then when we do that, we're going to attract visitors. So let's drag in the visitors icon. So we're going to put traffic, we're going to put content on social media to attract visitors that will then land on a blog page or a content page. So let's say we attract 100 visitors from social media, and then we bring them over to the blog page. Let's connect it like that. It's not connecting for some reason. There, that'll do. So you can see the flow here. So we get 100 visitors to the blog page. On that core content, we then convert those visitors into leads. So let's put on the leads thingy. Let's see if we can connect it. There we go. So we've now converted these visitors into leads via this content page. And then once they've converted into leads, then we can run the email sequence. So let's see if we can connect this to that. Yeah, there we go. So there you can see the flow. So it starts with promoting your content on social media or other websites to attract visitors to a blog page, and then leads. So let's say 20% of the visitors here opt into your email list and then become subscribers who receive your email sequence. The actual email sequence for that could be a 5-day sequence. So we'd have day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. And what I like to do with a brand new list is I like to either start day 1 with either educate or entertain. So, and then a soft pitch. So we're not doing explicit selling. And then I repeat that sequence for 4 days. And then on the 5th day, then I go in for the hard sell. So that could be a good framework for you to copy and replicate this. So say educate, we're talking. So let's say on day 1, we're going to educate, and that would be a how-to guide plus soft pitch. So day 2 might be entertain. So here we tell them a story. Maybe we delve into your background plus a soft pitch. And then day 3, because the previous day we entertained them, so now we want to educate them again. So that could be something like a step-by-step tutorial. Plus, have I spelled that right? There we go. Plus soft pitch. And then day 4, we entertain them with maybe something inspirational. Maybe a case study, something like that, plus a soft pitch. And then on day 5, the hard sell is just going to really crank up the desire for your affiliate offer. Of course, these 5 days we also pitch the product, but just in a very gentle, low pressure kind of way. And then day 5, we really push it a bit harder because We've used education and entertainment to deliver value and build trust amongst our marketplace. So, one thing that you need to know about this blog page, about your core content, we can put links in here. Let me head back to the actual main camera and explain this. When they're on your core content and they're reading your post or watching your video, whatever it is, and they're getting value from you, then you ask them to take action. You say, well, if you'd like to get more of this kind of stuff, here's what you need to do next. And that is where you promote your squeeze page. And you don't actually have to do it via a squeeze page. You can do it as a link in your bio if you're doing articles. Now, that is probably the weakest of all the possible link scenarios here, because people have to go right down to the bottom of the article, read your bio, and then click the link there. So the chances of people reaching the bottom of that article are going to be, it's going to be a lot less than the people at the top. So what I like to do is fairly early in the article, I like to either offer a content upgrade. So it's closely related to the article that they're reading. Maybe it's a checklist, something like that. Say, hey, if you want to solve this problem quicker, grab this handy checklist. It's going to run you through how to do it. And then that leads to a squeeze page, or you can put the form directly in the piece of content itself. So another way is to have a resources section underneath some of the big paragraphs. You'll see this on a few of my articles on Profit Copilot, where I have a resource section. So I'll have like a heading, a paragraph, and then resources about that paragraph. And some of these resources lead to squeeze pages. So that's another way of doing it. So I've given you a few options there to generate leads from content marketing. Because listen, if you're going around and you're just putting your link to a squeeze page on random forums, random sites, that's spam, you're going to get banned. Don't do it. Okay, that's actively, the thing that we're trying to combat here with Profit Copilot. So, there you go. Oh, listen, at the start of this, I said I'm going to give you some traffic sources to promote your content. Okay, not promote your affiliate link, not promote your squeeze page. So content marketing is going to work for you. Because listen, that affiliate thing, that affiliate offer, that's just a sales mechanism, right? That's actually not the core of your business. The content and the email list and the sequence, that follow-up sequence, this is the core of your business. Okay, that affiliate offer is just a mechanism to make money. That affiliate thing, that offer can be anything. It can be a service, it can be your own product, it can be anything you like. It doesn't really matter. But that the build up to that point, to asking for the sale, is the same no matter what you're selling. So we use content and then we build trust through delivering value to someone, and then we ask them to take action. And then when we ask them to take action after they opt into the email list, we run them through a sequence of emails that increases trust and desire for whatever it is you're pitching. So that's the sequence. That little affiliate link is you can switch it out with whatever you want. But anyway, I promised you extra traffic sources to promote your content. Okay, so you can get them when you go to profitcopilot.com/traffic. Every traffic source I give you is free to use. And I'm going to give you the sources for free as well. So if you found this useful, give it a thumbs up below, subscribe to the channel too, hit that little notification bell so you never miss an update from me. And I will hopefully see you again tomorrow or on Monday. Have a good weekend.